friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to prepare for you a black garlic pepper tuna, right here, nice little, small little tuna steak, with a chili citrus sauce that I make with Thai chili paste, some lime juice, some brown sugar, soy sauce, and I'm going to make tomato stir-fry rice as a bed to go with my tuna. So if you want to see me make this dish, let's go over here to the stove and I'll show you how I put this dish together. My tuna, my fried rice, and my chili citrus sauce. Let's go over here to the stove. Okay, so I have all my saucepans out here and heat this up to where it's lightly smoking, which it is right now. That's perfect for the tuna. And I have some toasted sesame oil in here in this pan. This pan here I will use for my rice, just for my stir-fry rice. My rice is already done over here. And so let's make this chili citrus sauce. So there's some Thai chili paste here. Okay, put that in there. All right, with a tablespoon of brown sugar, maybe 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to put some soy sauce in here. Turn that up. Fire. A couple tablespoons of soy sauce. All right. And some lime juice. A couple tablespoons of lime juice in there. Now we're going to stir this around and let that heat up a bit. And your tuna, however long you want to cook it, most people like it with a lot of pink in the middle. I'm not one of those people, but I will do it for the sake of this video. Now, let's put my rice in here. Flour down a bit. Woo. Add a little more oil to this. And the soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce. Okay. Turn my tuna over. It's black garlic pepper tuna steak. Yep, that's coming together over there beautifully. It's my chili citrus sauce. It's going to be nice for the tuna. All right, and we have a little well there in the middle of the fried rice because I want to add an egg. Okay. I also want to add some diced up scallions. And remember, I use low sodium soy sauce. So last but not least, I want to add my tomatoes and my carrots. So tomatoes and carrots, and my tomato fried rice. My black garlic pepper tuna. And what I want to add in the rice, some salt. Okay, I'm using low sodium soy sauce. Now tuna is done. I'll turn that off. Lot of black pepper, okay? I put the tomatoes in last because I don't want the tomatoes to mush up a bit. Okay. Get my tuna out of this hot pan. Right. And we have my sauce over here. It's ready. Right. Da-da-da-da. Taste that. Yeah. It's nice. Nice. Okay. My rice is done. My tuna is done. Okay. Get a plate. Put some rice on my plate. My tomato fried rice with carrots and scallions. Okay, and we'll set this over here. My tuna steak here. And you can see that black pepper on there. All right. If I can cut it this way, it's not going against the grain. Whoop. Well, we'll go with the grain. Let's try this sharp knife. All right. Okay, it's going to make me do that. We'll do it that way. Okay. Now, woo. Okay, so I'm going to add this tuna over the rice, like so. Right. And to drizzle some of this sauce. Oh yeah. Over that tuna, and it's okay if you get it in the rice. It's okay. Yes. Yep. And here we have my black pepper, my garlic black pepper, tuna. See how quickly I put that together with tomato stirred fried rice and a chili citrus sauce. Put that together pretty quickly, but it smells delicious, man, that aroma. So black garlic pepper, I use basically a black garlic ramen pepper that I order. It's delicious. And I coat that tuna steak with this pepper and some salt and pan sear it in some toasted sesame oil. The sauce, I use about a tablespoon of Thai chili paste, red chili paste, a couple of tablespoons of lime juice, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, light brown sugar. Stir it around till it starts to bubble up a little bit. It'll thicken just a little bit. And then I make some stir-fried rice. Basically cook the rice, then I put the rice in a saucepan, a wok, and some butter and some oil, some soy sauce, mix in the soy sauce with the rice. Then I make a well and I put an egg in there, cook the egg a little bit, then mix the egg in, and I add some scallions, dice up scallions, and last but not least, some tomatoes and some carrots in there with the rice, and some salt and pepper, of course, to your liking, however much salt and pepper you want to put in there. So this is my dinner for this evening. Black garlic ramen pepper tuna steak with a chili citrus sauce over a tomato stir-fried rice. Yeah, sounds good. I'm gonna go eat. Thank you for watching. I'm Jay Sennett. Thank you for watching Cooking with Jay, which airs at 6 o'clock, starting at 6 on WHRO's Public Media Facebook page. You can see archive editions of the show too at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. And don't forget about my Senate in Session Jazz Show, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings from 1 until 5, and Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5 on WHRV FM 89.5. And I also host the R&B Chronicles, Friday nights from 7 until 8 on WHRV FM. And I would also like to invite you to visit my business website, thecosmopolitanpalate.com. It's all about food. You can see what I'm doing with my cooking business, thecosmopolitanpalate.com. Until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to go eat my dinner. Bon appetit, friends. Be safe. We'll see you soon.